Hello. Hi. How are you? How are you? Okay, so where are you going right now? I can't hear you. I think your microphone there's something wrong. I can't hear you.
I'll go back to my house.
All right, okay. So since we are already late, I think already 17 minutes, so let's start with our class. Okay, now can you see my screen? Okay, wait a minute, I'll change my... Okay, now can you please read your question?
An expensive thing you brought in the past
Okay, very good. Now tell me more about an expensive thing you bought in the past.
is a book, a sneaker, a
And
breakfast, running shoes, and jigsaw.
okay, so why do you think you bought those objects or those things? So is it your favorite or you really need that one even though it's very expensive?
Because I want to buy it.
Okay, next one. Now this one, okay, can you please read your question?
What you did last night?
Okay, so tell me more about what you did last night.
Watch TV dinner.
Yes?
Watch TV and eat dinner.
Okay, you had your dinner and watch a TV. Now, what did you watch on your TV or what program you watched last night?
Program is YouTube. It's a
YouTube.
movie,
What show or what is it, a movie? Is it a concert or is it
not movie. Not movie. It's a song.
it's a song. So what song is it? It was rather. What song it was?
It's good.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay. Can you express me or can you rate from 1 to 10 how satisfied are you when you watch that television program?
I love the song.
Okay, can you sing it to me?
It's good.
Okay. Next one. Here. Okay, I know you can. How about this one? Okay, can you please read your
A
question?
beautiful place you have
Visited.
visited.
All right, okay. Tell me more about a beautiful place you have visited.
It's Central. It's cold. I love going to Central. You know I love cold.
Okay.
I don't love hot.
Okay. So aside from being it's cold, what can you see there? If you want to share it with other people, like for example, the tourists that want to come there, like for example, me, your teacher Zach. If I want to go there, what do you think I can see there? Like how can you advertise that place to me? Since you consider it's a beautiful place.
Central has a restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
Shabu. Two restaurants.
There's a lot of delicious food there.
Yes.
So what are the favorite food that you have eaten there?
It's watermelon, many kinds, and and French fries, and some kind of food.
Okay, so from all of the food that you mentioned, which is your favorite?
Which is my favorite.
Yes,
I love
among all of the
restaurant.
yes.
Is Indian food, plantain,
Mm-hmm.
is at Central,
Mm-hmm.
and
And
is Cancun.
okay, great job. All right, next one. Okay, can you please read the sentence? Can you please read your sentence?
Your last holiday to Phuket.
Okay, tell me more
My
your
last
last
holiday
holiday.
is going to Phuket.
Okay, so since you said that you visited Phuket from your last holiday, so what did you do there? Like, what is the most exciting part of your holiday there?
Holiday there.
Yes, what's the exciting part or what is the unforgettable part of your
It's a
holiday?
hotel.
Yes.
It's hotel. It's a Phuket hotel.
Okay, can you tell me more about it?
Um,
Hello,
it
can you tell me
it
more about it?
um it is a hotel. It's a
Okay.
name
All
of
right.
Phuket Hotel.
Okay, now I would like you to please focus your camera to your face when you are answering my question, okay? Because I can't hear you. Would that be okay?
Okay.
All right. Next one. Now, can you please read the sentence?
Something interesting you saw on TV recently.
All right, very good.
It's
Something
song.
interesting you
No,
saw
I
on
love
TV
song.
recently. Okay, wait a minute, okay? Wait a minute. Okay, you can answer it.
It's song. I love song. I love the interesting song is Transform Baby, Good, All About That Day, and Girls on Fire.
Okay, very good. Great job. All right. Next one. Okay, here.
What you did last weekend?
Okay,
In
so tell me more
in
about what you
Saturday,
did last weekend.
in Saturday, my aunt come home for me, and I play some game in the week in last weekend, and on Monday or Tuesday, and Monday is holiday. My aunt can't go to work. I love it. But on Tuesday, I don't love it because my aunt will go to work. But recently, my aunt just goes on Monday.
Wow, interesting. There's a lot of things happening during your weekend. Okay, do you love your aunt very much?
Yes.
Okay, so what is your most unforgettable experience with your aunt that you
Experience with my aunt.
yes,
What?
when what is the most unforgettable experience you had with your aunt?
What experience do I have with my aunt?
Yes, yes.
Mm, You mean what did I do?
Yeah, the unforgettable experience with your aunt that you did with her. Like for example, you went to this place or you played with this game or you watch a movie or something like that.
In the morning, my aunt was very busy, and in the evening, she is not busy anymore.
Ooh, okay.
In
If
the
it's
morning, I
if you're
exercise
okay,
and eat breakfast.
okay. If you're
When my dad, when my aunt is not busy, I sometimes go to outside to sing with my aunt
okay.
and my grandma.
Wow. So you are close with your aunt and grandma since you've always be together with them, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, since you said that your aunt is not busy every night, so what you are doing with your aunt every night?
Um,
Yes.
I I sing a song
You
and
sing
I
a
watch
song.
a song. I
Wow.
watch songs too.
Oh, okay. So you are singing with her. Is she a good singer as well?
No, my aunt didn't sing. My aunt can't speak in English,
Okay, but so you are not talking to her
but
using
I
English.
can speak in America.
Yes, I know because you are a smart girl, right?
Right.
Okay, next one. How about I know here.
The last time you played the sport.
All right, very good. Now tell me more about the last time you
Badminton.
played sport. Yes,
It's badminton.
badminton. Okay, you've already mentioned a lot about badminton, right?
Yes.
So aside from playing badminton, do you have any sport as well that you can play?
Mm, um, is is playing football.
Mm-hmm. Football now. Can you tell me about something football, like your experience playing football? Is it hard or easy for you?
It's easy. I just kick the ball.
Okay, it's easy. Why do you think it's easy for you? Is it because like you are a good player or you have a training already?
Because I am good at playing football.
Wow, who trained you or who taught you to play football?
My my dad.
Your
My dad.
your dad. Okay. Next one. Here, your last birthday. Okay, can you please read this one?
My last birthday. My birthday is on November 9.
Okay, now can you tell me more about your last birthday?
My birthday, your last birthday.
Yes. What happened to your last birthday? Like what did you do? And if there is a event or like you celebrated it with whom or with who? Okay, who's with you during
With
your
my
birthday?
family.
Okay, now can you tell me more about what you did during your last birthday with your family?
I celebrate with my family. I'm happy to this is my birthday because I want someone to 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 take me to everywhere I want. And I also want to blow a candle, and I want my family to say happy birthday to you like this.
Okay. Wow, what a cute girl. Okay, all right. So are you also joining or going to your friend's birthday? Like for example?
No, my friend didn't come to my house.
How about you? Do you go to their birthday?
No.
Okay, for example, okay, let's put it here. For example, if you are invited to a birthday, what will you bring?
What did I bring?
Yeah, what will you bring? Okay, if you go to a birthday party.
Mm, what do I bring to the birthday party? I didn't go to birthday party. I just celebrated in my house.
Like it is just for example, in case that someone invited you to go to a birthday party. So what will you bring?
Present.
Very good. You should bring a present or a gift because this is actually what we all usually bring aside from bringing food, okay? Or bringing yourself to the party. You also bring a gift or presents dedicated to the birthday celebrant, right? For example, if you invited me, Teacher Zach, to your birthday party, then for sure that I will bring a gift for you. Okay, for example, what are your favorite things, okay? Can you tell me? What are your
My
favorite things?
favorite things. Mm, my favorite thing is going to the zoo.
Mm-hmm.
I love
Okay.
to go to the zoo.
Okay. All right.
And in Sunday, I go to zoo. My father brought my family and I went to the zoo on Sunday with my aunt. It's so much fun.
Okay. All right. It's so much fun. Okay. That's
I
good that you.
had a rabbit. It's fluffy and soft, but
Yeah.
it's small and
Okay.
cute.
Okay. Now, can you sing a happy birthday song to me? Like, can you show it to me?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Very good. Okay. Great job. That's how you sing it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Here, your
The
last
last,
question.
the last time you ate out.
Okay, the last time you ate out. Can you tell me more about the last time you ate out?
Oh, I, you mean in the restaurant?
Yes, anywhere. Like where's the place or where do you where is the last time you ate out?
What is the last time you ate out?
Yes. What
It's
did you eat, or what restaurant it is, or who's with
It's
you, and what happened that time?
Sim is is central.
Okay, so what happened there?
What happened there? I love it.
Okay. All
It
right.
have noodles and some kinds of food.
Okay. Okay. All right. Now we're almost done with our time. So do you have any question?
No.
Okay. If you don't have any question, I'll see you next time. Okay. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you so much. You're so very smart. Hello? Hi.
The time is up.
I'm still here. Hello. Okay, I said earlier that you are really smart. You can, communicate with me very well. When did you start learning English? What age?
Age, do I start learning English? 5 years old.
Wow. You are really good. You can really your vocabulary, the words that you are using is very nice. Great job. Okay. So keep continue learning English through reading a book, watching TV, watching videos, like for example, singing an English song. That's a good one. Okay. Okay, now, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, what is your name again? I'm so sorry.
Cherubelle.
Your English name?
Cherubelle.
Cherbel.
C-H-E-R, B-E-L-L, Bell.
Cherbel. Okay, Cherbel, thank you so much for coming to my class. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.